So Dindia, we just finished Bold, the local Bold. You're one of the first ones to experience it. So real quickly, just tell them who you are and where you're from, and then I'd love to ask you a question.
I'm Dendia Bai, and I'm from deep South Texas, McAllen. And it was fantastic to have this opportunity down here in which we were able to learn and progress. It was an amazing experience.
I love that. So what did you really walk away with? And let's talk about, how did it impact your thinking and how did it impact your numbers?
Well, it was so impactful because it was the first opportunity we've had in ages to really feel like you were sitting in a classroom or a local environment with other people. We had the opportunity to be in local rooms or groups of people, and we were able to work with our peers very closely. So it was the closest experience I've seen to the real live Bold. And then with the energy and the momentum and being held accountable for your numbers each week, it really felt like an amazing experience. It was kind of like a big box, but in a small little convenience store way. And it was so exciting because you got to share ideas, build momentum. And when you felt like you couldn't go on, you were encouraged by your peers. And it just kind of set the stage for every day to really get your game on and learn how to use scripts that could motivate and inspire you, and also to share ideas in these small groups and really combine an amazing toolbox. It allowed me to take possession of 7 new listings. I put 9 under contract and I got to work with 16 buyers. So it gave me an amazing pipeline of opportunity. I'm still feeling the effects of it. I think this is going to be a wave I'm going to ride out through the rest of this year.
I love that, Dindia. Well, thank you so much for sharing your time. Okay.
My pleasure.